A Lexiscan PET stress test is performed in our main office at 6601 Preston Road in Plano. In preparation for your test, please have nothing to eat or drink after midnight the day before your test. It is especially important that you do not have coffee, tea, soda, or other caffeine for at least 12 hours before your test. In order to get a reliable result, if you have had caffeine without 12 hours of the planned test, we will need to cancel the test and reschedule it. On the day of your stress test, please arrive 15 minutes early, check in at the front desk, and then have a seat in our waiting room. One of our staff will come to the waiting room and call your name to bring you back for your stress test. A Lexiscan PET stress test is a nuclear stress test that uses a small amount of radioactive material called rubidium. It is a very sensitive test and can look for old heart muscle damage from heart attacks and new blockages that could put you at risk for heart muscle damage. For the first part of the test, we'll put in an IV and have you lay down on the scanner. You will be given a dose of rubidium, and we will take images of your heart. For the second part of the test, we'll give you a dose of an IV pharmacologic stress agent, Lexiscan, that will stimulate the blood flow changes you would have with exercise. Most people feel flushing and short of breath with the Lexiscan infusion, as if you are exercising. Right after you receive the pharmacologic stress agent through your IV, you will get a second dose of the rubidium. After some processing, we will be able to compare the images we took before the stress testing and the images after stress testing to determine if your heart is strong, if there has been any old heart muscle damage, and if there is any blockage in the blood vessels around your heart. It usually takes a few days to get the results back. If you do not have an office visit scheduled, we will call you with the results. Or as always, results can be viewed in the MyBSW Health portal. Thank you for trusting Baylor Scott & White Legacy Heart Center with your care.